The location of an existing country house on a plateau with favorable conditions for construction allowed this building to be used for the new residence. Thus, the project incorporated design improvements along with the expansion of new areas with the aim of creating a contemporary, compact, and welcoming rural house that establishes a harmonious dialogue with the traditional country culture of the state of São Paulo. Design of a house located on a 1-hectare rural property in Cunha, São Paulo, situated on a plot of land that had been previously cleared for sale, a common situation in rural subdivisions in São Paulo. In this context, in addition to the architectural design of the residence, an environmental analysis of the existing rural network and a study of the other programs located throughout the property were requested. The combination of pre-existing elements and new design interventions is reflected in the layout of the house, which dialogues with the existing buildings on the site. The original country house was renovated and expanded, while the old barn was transformed into a service area with a laundry room and support space for vegetable gardens and gardens. On the lower plateau, a courtyard was created, an open space bathed in sunlight, bordered by 2 new buildings in negative layout. One of these volumes houses the water block, which integrates the clean sewage system and the connection to the river, as well as a sauna area and a small studio. With 3 bedrooms, a living room and a kitchen integrated with a generous balcony, the proposed project is characterized as a compact house, without excesses, but ensuring comfort for the resident. For the new house, only the perimeter walls were preserved. The roof was dismantled, and part of the woodwork and clay tiles were reused in the new roof. New side blocks were added to the original volume, intended for bathrooms and new infrastructure. These blocks differ from the original construction, being treated as rocks just like the stones scattered around the terrain. Due to their function of housing the bathrooms, these blocks are more opaque, with strategic openings hidden from social interaction on the terrain. A new gabled roof was also added, with a wooden structure and clay tiles, with a shed on top to provide ventilation and natural lighting, as well as an extension at the bottom, which forms a new front porch for the house. In terms of internal spatial organization, a central longitudinal masonry strip organizes the sectorization of the house's layout. On one side is the private area, with 3 bedrooms and access to the bathrooms. On the other side is the social area, with the living room and kitchen integrated with the covered balcony. The division of the rooms is also reinforced by the use of different types of flooring: ceramic tiles in the cooler areas, solid muracatiara wood flooring in the warmer areas, and solid brick flooring in the outdoor spaces. Above the area designated for bedrooms, there is a mezzanine open to the double-height living room, which benefits from the highest part of the roof. This mezzanine creates an open space for various uses, expanding the social area while isolating the bedrooms, making them more compact and cozy.